Gutter cleaning is risky for a homeowner too, because that's something that you do need to get up on a ladder and physically address. So that's a lot of ladder work for a homeowner that doesn't do it all the time like we do. We've got the professional equipment to help us get up there safely and get the job done right. Aside from the water that just overflows on the gutters, if the gutter is not situated just right and it overflows, it can run back towards the house into the soffit, causing your soffit to soften and rot over time. It can cause very costly repairs. Most of our customers have us come twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall after all the leaves have come. But some folks that have a lot of trees all around their home may need to have them addressed more so than that. We've cleaned miles of gutters, and a lot of those have even had gutter guards. There's not one gutter guard we've come across that works like it says it does. Even the gutter helmets, or the ones that are screwed in that aren't going to move, they all allow debris in there eventually, and then they're just harder to clean because they're permanently attached to your gutters. My recommendation for folks is just to have them routinely cleaned. Thank you for watching. This is Josh with Judge Services. And if you're interested in getting an estimate for exterior cleaning, give us a call at 618-525-3406 or visit us at our website at judgeservices.com.